That brings us to our first birthday on the list today, and that is Clarence Obenhaus's daughter, Sharon McCauley, who's 81 years old this year in Moran, Kansas. I have a note here. Clarence carried Sharon's picture of her through Germany during World War II. Also appeared as a guest on Melody Matinee. Pretty cool. Happy birthday, Sharon.
Cover Whitley, a big #1. Check out that smile right there. Cover, a very happy birthday this weekend from Ma and Papa as he celebrates in Oswego.
All right, Houston Zimmerman turning 3 years old in Humboldt. As I understand, Houston is now a big brother.
Yeah, he is.
To twins, a boy and a girl.
I take care of him,
That's
man.
That's his little bro in that pic. There we go.
You're now in charge, Houston. Bree Miller, a happy 8th birthday. Playing for the Wild Things right there. She's in Seneca. And Bria, a happy birthday from Mom, Dad, Ken, Bella, and Nanny.
She looks like a lot of fun there. All right, we've got Carissa Jordan turning 9 years old this year. Happy birthday, Carissa. Hope you have a great one.
Now we get to double digits. And there's Kingston Stafford. Kingston, you're going to start our double-digit crew off, man, as he's turning 11. A very happy birthday in Golden City.
In Carl Junction, Evan Lee celebrating birthday number 13 this year.
I'm on a boat.
On a boat.
Cool picture right there, man.
That is pretty cool.
King of the world on a boat like Leo. On to Sweet 16, Hannah Bailey. A very happy birthday to Miss Hannah. She is celebrating in Girard.
Hey.
That dude, who that is. Look at that.
Digging that picture there.
Look at
Mr.
that.
Jonathan Adam is 16 this year.
Number 1 he got there. You know. Number 2 turned out to be a pretty good looking dude right there.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Jonathan. Love you, man. Andrew Slickteen, he is celebrating his 19th birthday. A very happy birthday to Andrew in Jasper, and I want you to know, Andrew, that this comes with love from Granny and Papa.
All right, turning 31 this year in Parsons. It's time to celebrate for Jessica Cooper. Happy birthday.
And Jessica Scott, she's turning 37. Now, Jessica currently resides in Augusta, which that's easy because you can always go and watch our complete birthday list at komnewsnow.com. But I'd also be remiss if I didn't point out that Jessica used to live in Chanute. So all of your Chanute friends, Jessica, I'm encouraging them to call you up and wish you a happy birthday today. I get that's so outdated. Nobody calls anybody up anymore. You do it via social media. I get that.
Well, maybe. I don't know. We'll find out. Denise Robinson is a former Girard resident who's now in Wichita celebrating the Big 5-0. I bet she gets called up.
Call her up.
Yeah.
There you go. People in Girard, call her up. Tracy Voorhees, she's also celebrating her 50th
Check out that
birthday.
picture.
That's a cool picture right there. Okay, don't mess with Tracy, and make sure you tell her happy birthday. She is flexing in Altamont. Happy birthday, Tracy.
All right. I don't know if that background is in Altamont, but that's pretty cool.
That's good.
All right, we've got Dennis Oplotnik celebrating birthday number 72 this year. Hope it's a great one, Dennis, in Columbus.
This woman right here, she's part of our extended family because that is the mother of our master control operator, Janice Rennie. And Janice may not claim us, but you know what, Janice? We claim you, and we love you very, very much. A very happy birthday to Janice in Columbus. May I?
Yes, please do.
That woman right there on the left, that is Wava Everly, and she is celebrating a birthday over the weekend in Miami. And I am simply going to say, you know how much I love you, and you know how much I thank you. But, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Here's another member of the KOM extended family, Miss Selena Wallace, who our Master Control Supervisor, Friend Wallace's mother,
I remember
celebrating.
I remember when they had that picture taken.
Oh, that is a really cool picture.
Yeah.
Hopefully won't be too long before we can bundle up like that again.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Selena.
Happy birthday.
I'll keep your son in line for you.
Try
Make that my
to.
job.
Try to.
Corey and Trisha Largent, a happy 18th. That's a beautiful picture right there. Congratulations to the Largents. They celebrate their 18th anniversary, and they are in Parsons. And as a matter of fact, Parsons is a great place for anniversaries because Rob and Amy Monty are celebrating their 23rd anniversary in Parsons as well. And that's a beautiful picture of the Monties out there by the water. Congratulations, Rob and Amy.
All right. We've got Brennan Wilson turning 11 years old, the all-star there, Brennan, who just happens to be our marketing consultant, Zach Wilson's oldest son.
Much more successful on the diamond than his father could ever dream of. Congratulations, Brennan. That's right, I said it. Elvira Lathrop, a happy 82nd birthday. Elvira is in Lawton, Kansas. Brittany DeGonia, now a teenager. Congratulations, Brittany. She is in Crestline. And Belinda Houston, a very happy birthday in Bartlett.
All right.
Oh wait, I didn't see that Cindy Wallace, who's down. It says Phoenix, Arkansas. That's interesting.
Because that's.
Do you guys know that the abbreviation for Arizona is AZ? Is she in Phoenix, Arizona? Is that where she is? Okay, I'm gonna guess.
Okay.
Anyway, Cindy is Belinda's sister. I don't know if they're twins. I'm gonna guess they're twins. And I'm going to guess she's actually in Phoenix, Arizona.
Yeah. That'd be
Anyway,
pretty cool.
it doesn't matter. Cindy's not watching. Belinda, you're the one I'm wishing a happy birthday to. Happy birthday, Belinda. Then tell your sister I said happy birthday.
All right, we've got Peggy Broyles Sutherland turning 69 years old this year in Galena, Kansas. Hope you have a happy one, Peggy. And Larry Bailey celebrating a birthday in Arma.
Okay. He knows it's coming.
Are you eating trail mix
It's
again,
cool because he knows it's coming. He knows it's coming. A happy 66th birthday. Kevin Knop! Goes back to the days when his boys were playing football. It goes back that far. Happy birthday, Kevin in Fortnite. And Cash Marietta's now 21. My good night, Irene. Happy birthday, Cash, in Lawrence, Kansas. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. We'll come back, wrap up this edition of the KOM Morning News right after this.